Have you been waiting to buy a home because you think you need to save 20% down? Well, if so, you might be delaying your home ownership goals for a reason that doesn't apply to your situation. And let's talk about where the idea came from and what buyers in Tennessee should know today. I'm Connor Gray, a realtor here in Tennessee's Upper Cumberland area. And one of the most common things I hear is, Connor, we're trying to save 20% before we even talk to a realtor. My answer? Well, maybe you need that much. Maybe you don't. And let's break it down. Years ago, putting 20% down became a common benchmark because it often helped buyers avoid private mortgage insurance, commonly called PMI, on many conventional loans. But over time, many buyers started believing it was required to buy a house. It isn't. Different loan programs have different requirements, and each one has its own eligibility rules. For example, some buyers may qualify for programs with lower down payment requirements, while others may choose to put more down if it fits their financial goals. The right choice depends on your income, credit, location, and long-term plans. Instead of asking, how do I save 20%? Ask, what do I actually need to buy a house based on the loan I'm using? So, emergency funds, earnest money, inspections, closing costs, moving expenses. A lender can help you estimate those costs based on your situation. Even if you have enough money to put 20% down, that doesn't automatically mean it's the best choice. You still need money after closing. Furniture, repairs, utilities, unexpected expenses, lawn equipment, appliances. Buying the home is just the beginning. I always recommend talking with a lender before falling in love with a house. The conversation can help you understand your price range, loan options that may fit your needs, what documentation you'll need, and steps you can take now if you're not quite ready. I recently spoke with someone who assumed that they were years away from buying because they believed they had to save a huge down payment, but after meeting with the lender, they realized they had more options than they expected. And whether you qualify for a specific program or not, getting accurate information early helps you make a better plan. Focus on readiness, credit, income, savings, debt, budget. Buying a home isn't about checking one box. It's about being financially prepared overall. And that's why I encourage buyers to build a plan instead of chasing a single number. If you've been waiting because you think you need 20% down, don't make assumptions. Start with a conversation. You may discover you have more options, or you may learn what steps will put you in a stronger position to buy later. Either way, you'll be making decisions based on facts rather than myths.